Hi guys, my name is Magali, and if it's your first time on my channel, then welcome, and if you're a returning viewer, then welcome back. I make regular videos on beauty, fashion, travel and lifestyle. I upload videos here every single week, so if you enjoy this type of content, don't forget to hit the red button below this video and subscribe to my channel so that you never miss when I have a new video out. So today's video is going to be a skincare routine come review of a few products that I've tried from this Korean brand called Klairs. Now I have tried Korean skincare here and there before this, but I've never been on a proper routine. Korean companies are known for making really good skincare, but they're also known for having really elaborate routines like 5-step routines, 7-step routines, and I'm pretty sure there are longer routines than that as well. I used to always think that my skin type is oily, but turns out it's pretty dehydrated. My two main concerns are acne and sensitivity. All of the products I'm going to show you today are part of the Klairs Angry Skin Calming package. This is a package of 5 different products that's supposed to work really well at calming down angry, sensitive, irritated skin. This isn't actually one range from Klairs. They're a mix of products from like 3 different ranges, but they've put together the things that'll work best if sensitivity is your main issue, and it's also supposed to target acne. I got this kit from this website called Wish Trend, which is a Korean website that sells Klairs, and they also send a few different skincare brands, all Korean. If you buy like these kits, they do ship it free internationally. It took about 2 weeks to get to me, and I did not have to pay any customs duty. All of my products came inside this box. It did come in an outer shipping box as well, which I have discarded. So I got the Supple Preparation Facial Toner, the Rich Moist Soothing Serum, the Freshly Juiced Vitamin Drops, the Rich Moist Soothing Cream, the Midnight Blue Calming Cream. And I also got a few sample sizes of the Midnight Blue Calming Cream. I'm going to go over my nightly skincare routine with all of these products, and I'm going to attempt to review them as individual products and then tell you what my experience was like on this entire routine as well. I'll have more details like link to purchase this or links to purchase the products individually in the description bar below this video. Klairs is also available on this Indian website called Nykaa. You don't really get the kits. If you want to buy these things on Nykaa, you'll have to buy like each one individually. I use these products really religiously for I think around 7 weeks. Whenever I do a skincare review on this channel, I make sure to use it for 2 or 3 weeks at least, but this time I really wanted to see whether this made a difference on my skin, so I used it for a longer period of time, and I used all of these products every night except for I think 3 days in 7 weeks. The range doesn't really have any kind of cleanser or face wash, so I just like used whatever I had. The first step of the routine is the toner. This is the Supple Preparation Facial Toner. This same toner is pretty much available in 2 different variants. So all of Klairs products are unfragranced. They don't have any artificial fragrances in them, but they're not all unscented. Now the difference between unfragranced and unscented: fragrance is something artificial like a perfume that's usually alcohol based that you'll put in a product. This toner is scented, meaning it does have some essential oils in it that give off natural fragrance. So while it's not artificial, some people are also bothered by like the strong fragrance of essential oils such as lavender. You can get an unscented version of this also if you're buying it individually, or even if you want to buy the whole kit, you can opt for the unscented version. I don't have a problem with a little bit of essential oil. It does not irritate my skin, and the little bit of scent makes the product experience feel even better for me, but I thought I should mention that. The dark bottle is the regular toner, but if you get the light transparent bottle, that's the unscented version. This toner works a little differently to toners that I'm already used to, because I would generally use toners by putting it on a cotton pad and swiping it on my face, but they recommend that you just put some of these in your palm and rub your palms together and just pat it into your skin. It's supposed to have a lot of good ingredients that help provide deep hydration and also help the skin absorb the next skincare steps, because we're going to be putting a lot more stuff on it. So this as a first step is just sort of prepping your skin for all the skincare that will come after it. I already mentioned that my skin is dehydrated, so I really enjoyed using this toner. This routine on the whole definitely took care of my hydration needs even in winter. I didn't have any extra dryness or flakiness of any kind. Even after using this for 7 weeks, I still have about 2/3 of product remaining in the bottle. This should last me some more time. Now the next two products, I'm going to talk about them sort of together because you use them at the same time. That is the Rich Moist Soothing Serum and the Freshly Juiced Vitamin C Serum. So you actually mix these two products together. So I would take like 2 to 3 pumps of the Rich Moist Soothing Serum in my palm. Then I would put 3 to 4 drops of the Vitamin C serum and just mix it together with my finger, and then I would just like apply that whole mixture on my face. The Rich Moist Soothing Serum is just supposed to be a gentle aqueous serum that's made to hydrate and soothe and moisturize your skin, and I felt like it did that for me. The Vitamin C Serum I was really excited about because I've not gotten the chance to use Vitamin C based products in the past. They're supposed to be really good for almost all skin types. It's supposed to like naturally brighten any hyperpigmentation. But when I get acne or pimples, the scar that's left behind is usually quite dark in color, kind of black. So I always usually have like these black spots on both of my cheeks, and I did feel that these vitamin drops help in lightening them even faster. Vitamin C often breaks out sensitive skin really badly, so it's something that I have consciously stayed away from. I was curious to try this particular blend. It has stabilized L-ascorbic acid in it. This is a vitamin C serum that works well for sensitive skin, and it never irritated my skin, never broke me out. And even after using it for a long time, like 7 weeks, since you just need a few drops a day, a majority of this bottle is still remaining. So I think this serum will last me for a really long time. You can even share this serum with anyone else in your house who's doing their skincare, because you need so little of it, so you're not going to consume a lot of it at a time, and I think that makes it like a good value for money as well. If you have sensitive skin and have been wanting to try vitamin C serum but have stayed away because it can irritate your skin, would highly recommend trying out Klairs. The next product is the moisturizer. It's the Rich Moist Soothing Cream, and this has this really nice tube type of packaging that I really liked. This cream has a really interesting texture. It does say Rich Moist, kind of on the richer and thicker side, but at the same time it's not like rich in the sense that it's greasy, because otherwise if I think of like a rich cream for the face, most of them are like really oily and they feel kind of heavy. So this one is rich, but it gets absorbed in the skin really well. It never sits on the outside of my skin. If I like put on even a lot of it, if I put it on in a heavy-handed manner, in 3 to 4 minutes it's fully absorbed in my skin. It doesn't leave any kind of residue. I think my skin just drinks it up. It's supposed to be comforting, deeply hydrating, and it contains a rich blend of hydrating ingredients. I think you can easily use this cream in the day or in the night. It would be suitable for a lot of different skin types, whether you have oily skin or whether you have dry skin, whether you're using this in the summer or whether you're using it in the winter. It's a very versatile moisturizer. In the winter I would just probably like use a little bit more of it, and in the summer I would put this on with a lighter hand, but it's really good. The only complaint I have about this product is it is 60 ml, but this moisturizer is the closest to finishing off in 7 weeks. I don't think there's a lot more product in here. While I have an ample amount of product remaining for all of the other things in this kit, I think like this moisturizer I ended up like using the most of it, and I'm going to finish it off fast. It's really good. You can use it in the day or night, but this will finish off quickly. And the very last product in the kit is the Midnight Blue Calming Cream. This can be used as a spot treatment also, and you can also use this as a night cream. I was really intrigued to try out this product because it's supposed to have a lot of good ingredients that if your skin is angry or irritated in any way, this thing is really supposed to calm the irritation and redness. Even if you suffer from like a condition like rosacea that makes your skin all red and angry, this is supposed to help with that. and they say apply a small amount on the affected area in the morning and evening after using toner and serum. So I started applying this on areas that I'm more prone to breakouts and irritation, which are for me my jawline, my cheeks, my upper lip, and then I have the area between my eyebrows also. And when I just started using this routine, I was also using this other product from Klairs that's actually formulated for acne prone skin, but it did not agree with my skin and it gave me really angry, irritated breakouts. You know, not just ugly big pimples, but the type that are really painful to touch. The previous time that I'd gotten like bad breakouts like that as a reaction to a product, those breakouts didn't go away for days. So I didn't really expect anything when I put this on. But when I used the Midnight Blue Calming Cream, those breakouts, by the next day, they had calmed down so much. The painfulness had gone, and while like the pimple was still there and was still raised, the redness had gone and they were so much calmer. And I think by the second day they just went away. I just love using this. It works so well at soothing any kind of irritation. They also mention sunburn. I don't burn much, I usually tan, but if you have sensitive skin that gets burned in the sun, you know, like sometimes when I shave my face, I'm prone to getting like these little bumps, like contact dermatitis in certain areas. Or even if I use any form of hair removal, I'll just get those bumps. I now use this whenever I think my skin is going to get irritated, and it does not get irritated. This product works like magic for me. I'm like so pleased with this. I've enjoyed the routine on the whole, but I'll never stop singing praises of the Midnight Blue Calming Cream. I don't remember the last time I've tried skincare product that has given me such good, like such obvious and such quick results. Even if you have sensitive skin anywhere on your body, you can apply this as a spot treatment. It's so nice. Now to sum up my experience by using like the entire 5 product range, it hydrated my skin really well, and since I was applying like so many different things, it made sure that my skin was all like plump and moist and nice. It's supposed to calm angry skin, and I think the range did that really well. All of the products work together well for calming your skin, but definitely the Midnight Blue Calming Cream is one of the star products of this entire range that really calms skin well. Now when it comes to acne, I didn't have like a really extreme difference by using these products. Most of the acne that I get is kind of hormonal. Like my face will break out really badly just before my period, and then like in a week or 10 days it'll start going down. Like, don't think that these products made too much of a difference. They maybe made my acne a little calmer, but I still did get that. Now hormonal acne can be caused by a lot of different things, so it may not be a skincare only that's going to help my acne. I need to get a better diet and all of that stuff. All in all, to summarize this, I would say that if your main skin concern is sensitivity, if your skin gets red and angry and irritated and reacts to your environment badly, I think this range does a really good job of keeping your skin calm and relaxed and creating this healthy barrier and not letting external factors just make your skin angry a lot. But if you're getting hormonal acne or things like that, this is not going to be your magic quick fix. Hydration and calming, the range does it so well. I really like the entire range in that respect, and I think that the products have all worked well together. But if I were to pick my favorites, I really enjoyed the toner. I also really enjoyed the vitamin C serum, because I finally can use a vitamin C serum that doesn't irritate my skin, and this bottle is really good bang for your buck as well. And I really enjoyed the Midnight Blue Calming Cream. In fact, I would be looking at more products from this Midnight Blue range because I just loved how this thing worked for me. So the two things that you could say I was a little bit meh about, like take it or leave it, are both from the Rich Moist range. They're not bad really. The serum is quite nice, but I have Innisfree's green tea seed serum, which I really love, so I think I still like that a little more than this. This Rich Moist Soothing Cream Moisturizer was pretty decent, but I felt like it got over a little too fast. There's so little and if you have sensitivity, again, I would highly recommend checking out the range, or at least getting the Midnight Blue Calming Cream. I think the products are all priced also quite well. They're not exactly budget skincare, neither are they expensive. They're sort of mid-range, and they're definitely value for money. I think almost any age can use this skincare range, right from someone who's maybe 15 or 16 and experiencing breakouts, to even if you have like adult acne, if you're an older person like me in like a mid to late 20s, or if you're in your 30s, if sensitivity is your concern, do check out this range. I'm really impressed by all of these products. Lot of skincare ranges just promise a lot and don't deliver. I was used to that, but I think a lot of these products have delivered really well. If you have any questions that you think I can answer, please leave them in the comment box below this video and I will get back to you. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more beauty, fashion, travel and lifestyle videos. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.